The dialog itself is accessible through the security desk. And there's a new icon that you'll notice in the notification tray, which is actually a handset. So when the operator clicks on the dialog, they can change their status to available, away, and busy. So once again, very similar to a Microsoft Skype or FaceTime experience. The operator has access to a keypad, so if they know the remote device or user SIP ID, they can type it in and place the call immediately. In the contact list, the operator will see all users and can filter through the user list to place that call, and can also see devices. The operator can then quite easily add users and devices as part of their favorites list for quick accessibility. So in this case, the operator added some favorites. When the operator clicks on the favorites tab, they can see all the contacts that they can call with a single click of a button. The next demo we'll show you is answering an incoming call and placing a call from the call dialog. So when the call comes in, what you'll see right away, actually, let me backtrack just a second. So the scenario we'll be showing you is an operator responding to a lost card situation. So the operator will answer the call, authenticate the caller's identity, and then grant access directly from the security desk. When the call is placed, the call dialog appears. The operator then selects answer the call, then decides to answer the call, and then what you'll see is the conversation window. So that's where the live conversation is taking place. The operator can place that conversation window directly in the tile so that doesn't interfere with other video. If there are multiple cameras associated to that intercom device, the operator can switch from one camera to the other. So here the operator switched to a side view of the caller. So the operator can place that call on hold, jump to the cardholder management task, and review the cardholder's identity based on the conversation. Operator will do a quick search, open up the cardholder profile, see that they're active and that their credential is active. We'll jump back to the conversation window, unpause the call, and directly from the same tile, unlock that door. So the benefit here is that the operator doesn't have to jump between an access control or video or intercom application to respond to a call. It's all seamlessly available from the same app. The next example will show you how to place a call. So we're going to actually call a remote door station. So the operator will bring up the call dialog and then locate that door station from the list. Operator will simply double click on that door station and the call will be placed. Remotely, when that station is, the call is answered, the conversation once again appears, and the operator can have that conversation with the remote, employee or visitor, and once again view live video, answer calls, unlock the door, so on and so forth. In the next demo, earlier on I talked about how we can record call sessions. We'll show you what the call report looks like. So here the operator will first go into the home page and search for the call report. They essentially type that name, and then he or she will select the call report. So the operator chooses the call report. This is a dedicated task. The look and feel is the same as any other reporting task. So the operator can filter by date, last year, or between a time period. The operator can also search for calls based on the call duration. So for example, an administrator may want to search for calls that were longer than more than 5 minutes. The operator can also search by user and run the report on several users, or by device. So run all reports, show me all historical calls associated to a specific intercom device. Then finally, events. So filter by communication event, for example, calls that were not answered or canceled or had an error, or search by user action. For example, show me all the calls where the door was actually unlocked during a call session. So here we'll run a report based on the specific user and show all the calls that the user answered or placed. So So we'll scroll down, we'll select that user, and then run that report. Like any other Security Center report, you'll see a list of all the calls that were placed. The operator can then double-click on a specific call session. First thing you'll notice are the call details on the right-hand side. When the call was initiated, when it ended, and all the manual or automated actions during that call. There's a timeline for the call session itself, so the operator can jump within the timeline. It can also view all the cameras that are associated to that recorded call session. And lastly, what will show you is the operator exporting the call session. So the operator has the ability to export that specific call session to share with others or for investigative purposes.